First, I'm Leon Pasi and I'm with Chef Muthu and he'll be telling us what we'll be presenting today.
Hi all. Hi yo. How are you?
Fine.
Okay. We are doing a classic French dessert called crêpe Suzette. You might be wondering why we are doing this thing. Specifically, I designed this recipe so that all of you can do it at home and you can share this wonderful recipe. So we got two parts to this crêpe with orange butter. So one is the crepes itself, which is the pancake, and second part is orange butter, which is a preparation which is made with sugar, orange juice and butter. So to start with, we'll be doing a crepe batter. We got orange juice, we got icing sugar, that's powdered sugar, and we got orange liquor and butter. So what I'm going to do, now definitely this is not for kids, because we are looking at temperature which is close to 160 degrees. It might burn, so you need to be very careful when you are preparing the sauce. So I'm just going to add a bit of sugar. Can be regular, heavy bottom saucepan. No need for non-stick, because by the time we will finish this sauce, the non-stick all the non-stick would have gone.
Okay.
By the way, we are going to scratch that bottom.
Oh, okay.
So we are just adding this sugar thing little by little. See this formation of caramel.
Yeah.
Till the time you get some substantial things, it takes about 10 minutes for it to kind of.
And we need to heat it in batches, right?
Yeah, we have to heat it in batches.
Burn,
Yes,
very dark brown.
Otherwise, certain things will get burned fast.
Yeah.
And if you notice, I'm not adding any of this orange juice or anything. I'm just, be careful with this particular preparation.
So the whole sugar we have to caramelize.
Yeah, we'll have to caramelize this whole sugar.
So why particularly icing sugar?
Because it caramelizes faster.
Okay.
If you use the other sugar, it will take more time. Kind of caramelize the entire sugar. I'm just about going to add this orange juice. It's going to large splash. I'm just going to drop in a small amount of butter before I'm just going to take it off from the pan flame. So you see kind of, because it gets instantly cooled, the temperature of the juice is at room temperature, and then you have a hot caramel which is somewhere close to 160 degrees. Now this place you need to be very careful. You need to have a long whisk and ensure that you're safely away from this, otherwise you can get up to a second degree or third degree burn. I'll be adding the butter in small batches.
So we are actually giving the butter and orange flavor.
Yes. Actually, butter will retain the flavors.
Plus making it smooth.
Yeah. Yeah. Because the thing is that you will be having this candy thing which is there on the side.
Okay.
So you give it time for it to dissolve. Otherwise, if you dump it in one shot, butter will be melted.
Yeah.
And then, you are not giving a chance for the sugar which has got caramelized and got stuck to dissolve completely. So this gives us time for all the sugars. Orange liquor going through. I'm going to add this to this. Gives more flavor. Because the natural orange juice will not necessarily provide all the flavors of oranges, what you require. So this we have added this additional, and alcohol also has good properties of, like in perfume.
Yeah.
You have alcohol, it retains the aromas.
Aromas, yeah.
So an alcohol always helps in retaining the aromas. So that's the addition. Again, then we are going to strain the sauce. Strain the sauce now. you are sure to burn yourself. So you need to let it cool completely before even you. So there we go, we have the orange butter ready. Now it's action time. The crepe. We need to have the pan slightly warm so that the batter sticks to that.
Okay. Right.
Yeah, if you want your crepe to be thick, you can make it with. Ideally, it's thin. So
And how about like no oil, nothing on the pan?
we have oil in the mixture.
Mix, yeah, with butter.
No, we have oil.
Oil.
Just pull it out and leave it down. So what you can do if you want to, you can prepare this in advance if you want. You can store it is you have a parchment paper or a butter paper, tracing paper. You place the crepe on top. So you can layer it in that sense. So when you see that you get nice brown color in the sides, you know that it's done. It's come off automatically. So we'll do one last crepe. Then I'll show you what are the different fillings which we can do for this. You can use something like a Nutella, or here I am using a hazelnut paste. Roundels of banana. We are going to have some bananas in there. We're going to drizzle with some make a nice fold. So we have got a basic. It's little cooler, so this is a sauce which I had prepared a little bit earlier. It's actually cool, so you can actually have it. Just can drizzle a little bit of. So since we have got a lot of sugars here, I would like to just put a dollop of cream. So that's one of your crepes. So this, because there's a lot of
Sugar in it.
cream and thing is going into this.
Yeah.
We just drizzle. I have some cream here. Just I put a dollop of the strawberry, which can be drizzled inside but not outside. Fold it into half. Just dredge little bit of sugar. There you go. I would like to show you something. Something I'm going to flame this. If you're not sure, please don't do this. But if you want to impress someone, yes, you can. Peeled off crepe. We're going to warm a little bit of the sauce. So I added some little bit of liquor over here.
Same orange liquor.
Yeah. So you can use orange liquor if you can, because it's relatively inexpensive compared to the coin tour. Then you can have this. Bon appetit. Now it's tasting time. My colleague Bhakya, like to thank Chef Bhakya, who helped me in this preparation in terms of getting all the things in order. So he did all the dirty job. Thanks, Bhakya. Okay. So how do you like the dishes?
It's beautiful and it's so easy. I mean, I could literally see it making, and I very ready to taste it. I mean, it looks very beautiful.
I'm sure it's going to be that easy for you. Of course, it may be a little difficult to do the orange butter, but however you can do the crepes, and then I provided you some options. We have done some options with strawberry. However, when you have mangoes in season, you can use mangoes and cream. That's a very good combination as well. So happy cooking.